Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E6S, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open. And from there, press power key and volume down at the same time. Once you have this obnoxiously loud sound, you can let go of the keys, and it gives you a little pop-up with share, edit, and delete options, and after a moment it should just disappear like it did. Once it disappears, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. Can I do it without updating? Okay, so apparently Google is annoying and I can't view photos anymore without updating it. So I'm just gonna say no and show you the screenshot through files. I don't like to be forced into doing something that I don't want to. Continue here. And look at that, we can view images, and there is my screenshot. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.